This result help in forecasting future demand.
So what exactly are we talking about over here? Everybody please mute yourself. Our lectures gets recorded, so I don't want any unnecessary diversions in it. All right. So what are you saying, Saurabh? Okay, fine. I hope everybody is mute now. So far we have learned about methods, and in that method we have learned about the consumer method. That means how we survey the consumer's opinion to get our demand estimated, correct, and forecasted. Similarly, we have also been to experts when we were talking about method to forecast our demand. We have also studied about the experts opinion, wherein we have learned how experts with the in the way of group discussion, or you can say by their own estimation on the basis of their experience, they give the firm, a company, about how much is the demand, you can say, estimated, right? Now the next method to understand over here with us is market experiment. Now what do you mean by the term experiment? Experiment means you keep on doing certain things by your own way, what you think is the best way to do it, and then based on that, what happens, you look at the response of the people. So it is experiment that helps the firm to understand and analyze the behavior of the consumer for their product. So when we talk about market experiment, here also, even in this method, you will see that we'll be collecting necessary information about what exactly the demand is going to be for their product in the future. Okay, so what exactly happens in this method? There are various experiments. Okay, the studies are conducted, the researches are being done on how exactly a consumer is going to behave, and there are certain market conditions given to them. So because we are using the term experiment, that means we are going to conduct various things, we are going to try and test it. Correct, we are going to try and test it, and based on that we are going to understand what exactly the consumer, or how exactly is the consumer going to behave, and the behavior will be seen with respect to the demand for our product. That is why it is said as market experiment. You try and test various behavior of a consumer under different market condition, and then you analyze and come up with a thing. Okay, this much is going to be the demand if I give certain conditions to the consumer for my product, the demand is going to be more. And if the conditions are changed after experimenting, we realize that the consumer is not behaving, or you can say is not demanding much of our product. So there are certain things, okay, that that this method considers. It is actually a study, okay, under various conditions, how a consumer is going to behave. That's it. Now apart from that, there are certain areas, there are certain you can say aspects of the market under which the you can say income levels of the people are selected. Like, what I mean to say is there are certain, um, just as I have told you about the experiments, so what, on what basis are they going to do the experiment? So they are going to see how a person is going to behave when they are belonging to a higher income group. If the consumer is earning more income, how are they going to behave for our product? So income level they see. They look at the population. Okay, now population means what? If we are into beauty products, okay, we are a firm and we produce beauty products, concealer, lipstick, foundation, all these things. Now we will hit the market. Our target market will be what? The locality where the people are old, or the locality where the people or the population, see, this is what I mean by the term population, where majority of the population is old. Are you going to launch your product over there in that market, or are you going to launch your product in a population where there are young people residing? Yes, where are you going to launch your product according to the population? Yes, आप कहाँ पर अपने प्रोडक्ट को लॉन्च करोगे? अगर हम एक ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट बनाने वाले लोग हैं, तो कहाँ आप ज्यादा प्रेफर करोगे लॉन्च करना? वहां जहाँ पे बूढ़े लोग रह रहे हैं, पॉपुलेशन बूढ़ी है, ओल्ड एज वाले लोग ज्यादा हैं, या उस जगह पे जहाँ पर पॉपुलेशन यंग है?
पॉपुलेशन यंग है वहां पे।
क्यों? क्योंकि ये पता है ना कि बूढ़े लोग तो कंसीलर लगाएंगे नहीं, बूढ़े लोग फाउंडेशन लगाएंगे नहीं. इट इज नोन टू अस. करेक्ट? करेक्ट, नो? सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट,
यस मिस।
ये पॉपुलेशन इनकम, so some markets are selected on the basis of income level. So such markets are selected. It is selected on the basis of income level, population, culture, and political background and tastes of the consumer. So there are certain things like, you can say, like Afghanistan, what is happening in Taliban, right? So the people over there, they are not going to demand for fancy products, because they are now under the situation wherein the, you can say, the control is not in their hand. Now the people who are, you can say, autocratically, they are ruling on the Talibani people. Now they are going to decide what the women are going to wear, whether they are going to go for work or not, whether they are going to receive the education or not. All these things also matter. That is why I gave you the example of political background. Okay. And apart from that, tastes of consumer, their preferences, what are their choices, what are their likes, what are their dislikes. All these things are considered before launching the product or before making the experiment. They consider all these things. They study, they do a deep, detailed research before launching their product. Okay. And that is why these markets, or you can say these market experiments, are carried out with the help of changing prices and expenditure. Why? Because the change can also be seen in the demand. For example, I have given you, if you all remember, about Corona period. Now, when the lockdown was very recently happening, many people lost their jobs. Now, will they be demanding in the similar way they used to do it before Corona? Of course, no. Why? Because now they are jobless. So what market experiment also talks about? They also talk about the changing price as well as the expenditure. They do talk about income level. They do talk about the population. They do consider also the taste of the consumer. But they also talk about changing prices. Like if the price changes, how is the consumer going to react to it? Okay, so all these things are considered and recorded just to get the accurate idea about how much will be the demand. Okay, so in this first point is actual market experiment. Now, actual market experiment is considered in, or you can say is conducted in actual market. And there are various methods to do it. And one of the method is they select several stores, famous stores where people come and buy goods and services from them. Okay, so they are going to go there and they are going to select and talk to people, or the people who are there over the counter who sell the product. So why do people demand you can say L'Oreal goods, like L'Oreal shampoo, and why they don't buy, you can say, Sunsilk? Why they don't buy any other shampoo, correct? So the person over there who is selling those products will be knowing certain things because he's there, he's actually in the market, he looks at people, how, what, why they demand, correct? So they go and they make this thing and they introduce their product on the basis of the feedback that is given. Okay, and the next thing is simulated market experiment. Now what do you mean by simulated market experiment? So simulated, or you can say simulation, is a situation where we are studying. Okay, we are studying, but studying what? We are studying the model in the sense, we have models in the sense like just how we used to have it in, you can say, geography. We used to have model, right? We used to prepare about the universe, sun, solar system, right? So similar way, market, or you can say, the researcher is going to take a research and it will be based on certain models of marketing and demand. And what they are going to do, they are going to set up an experiment, how people are behaving in certain condition. And that is how here what they do, they give the money to the store and ask them to observe how people respond to them. And while what is happening, like, they give them the idea about this is what we are looking for, हमें ऐसे ऐसे चाहिए चीजें, हम आपको मनी देंगे, आप हमारे बिहाफ पे रिसर्च कंडक्ट करो. Why? Because the reason is the person is there, he knows the customer to whom to approach, correct? So what do? They talk in terms of changing the price of the product, they talk about the packaging, they talk about the advertisement. So all these things are considered. Now, you can say, in DMart, we have been to DMart so many times, and there are people standing outside giving us the free samples of the product that they are thinking to launch. Correct? They give us, they ask for a feedback. So we give them the response, yeah, it is nice. If they are offering us something which is to eat or to drink, what we do, we drink that. Okay, so if you all are aware of one experiment, there is a mark, what is that shop? Mapro, yes. So before Mapro, I hope you all are aware of Mapro. Mapro is into drinks and jellies from Mahabaleshwar and Mathiran side. Yes, so before launching the Mapro products, they actually used to give people the drinks, or you can say the crush in the sense the thick version. You just have to add water or milk, mix it and drink it. So they used to give small portion, they used to make that drink ready for people, and they used to give them in a small cups to taste it. So they used to approach people outside such markets, supermarkets basically, and then they used to ask them to taste it. So people who used to taste, they were asked about their feedback. मैम कैसा लगा आपको टेस्ट, स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर अच्छा लगा या आपको मैंगो अच्छा लगा? So based on that, what people are liking more, they will be planning to produce that product more. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes,
Are you all
miss.
understanding what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
So what happens over here? कि उन लोगों को क्या होता था, Ankita, you got that thing? Ankita Yadav? Mila? Is she there? Mayuri Raut, are you there? Mayuri Raut. See, she's not here. Not Suyog, sorry, Rishabh.
Yes, miss.
तुमने अपना नाम चेंज नहीं किया? अटेंडेंस नहीं लगेगा, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
I will change it today.
काजल दुबे, रवीना कुम्हार, सुमित तलडेवकर, तलदेकर, प्लीज आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट. आपने भी अपना नाम अलग तरीके से लिखा है. पहले जो आएगा वो नाम लिखो, FY कैपिटल में स्लैश रोल नंबर एंड देन फुल नेम. ओके, सो ऐसे उन लोग मार्केट एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं एंड बेस्ड ऑन दिस देयर आर थिंग्स. नाउ ये हमें सिर्फ याद करना है, दैट्स इट. कौन रीड कर रहा है?
Sagarika.
Yes, Sagarika, go ahead. Statistical methods.
Statistical method. This method is also called quantitative method. Statistical method is most useful in demand forecasting in order to key objectivity, that is by consideration of all implications and viewing the problem of an external point of view. The statistical method are used to forecast the demand of the product to get the accurate solution to the problem. The following are some statistical methods which are being used nowadays. First, a trend method. A firm existing for a long time will have its own data regarding sales for past years. Such data, when arranged in chronologically manner, will be yield what is referred to as time series. Time series method shows the past sale with effective demand for a particular product under normal condition. Such data can be given in a tabular or graphic form for further analysis. This is the most popular method among business firms, partly, partly because it is simple, thrifty, and cheap, and partly because time series data often shows a persistent growth trend. The time series have four types of components, namely secular trend, secular variation, cyclical element, and irregular or random variation. These time elements are expressed by the equation O is equals to TSCI. Seasonal variation refers to the change in the short-term weather pattern or the social habit. Cyclical variation refers to the change that occurred in industry during a depression and boom period. A random variation refers to war, strike, natural calamities such as flood, famine, and so on. When a prediction is made, the seasonal, cyclical, and random variation are moved from the observed data.
So what are we talking about over here? We will be talking now about quantitative method. So quantitative method is also known as statistical method, and it is also very useful because we talk about the data, and there are various methods, there are various formulas which can help us to get the idea, the very you can say we can fairly estimate the accurate idea about how much are we going to get the demand, right? So what do? They do consider all the problems, okay, from an external point of view. That means what all situation can reduce our demand, can decrease our demand. And that is why whenever we use statistical method, though it includes various statistical formulas usage, but still this is one of the most accurate, you can say, solution to understand and analyze our future demand of our product. So the very first method that we are using nowadays, that has been used nowadays, is trend method. Now in trend method, what happens? A firm who has its own data from a very long time period. That means he is not the newcomer in the market. He is already an old player. Okay. So what will he do? He will be doing, he'll be referring to the sales of the past years. How and when was the sale increasing? Why did it decline? Was that price the reason? Was the advertisement a reason for an increase in demand? So all these things they are going to understand with the help of the data of their own product. Okay, that means पिछले जितने भी सालों से वो मार्केट में आए हैं तब से लेके अब तक लोगों ने कब डिमांड ज्यादा की है, एडवर्टाइजमेंट के फर्क से हुआ है वो डिमांड बढ़ना, या प्राइस के बढ़ने के वजह से डिमांड कम हुआ है. ऑल दिस थिंग्स दे टेक इनटू कंसिडरेशन एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट दे make the necessary changes and understand and analyze about how much is the demand going to be for their product in the upcoming near future. Okay, then apart from that, what do they do? Time series यानी eventually हर एक chronologically arrange करते हैं every year and then they analyze and find out the demand estimation. Apart from that, it is time series method that also shows how effective the demand for their product is under very normal condition. Just as nowadays, or you can say last 1 year, we have seen that our demand was fluctuating based on the lockdown situation, right? So whether the product is something which is very essential, so demand is going to be there. करेक्ट. जैसे हम कोरोना था, लॉकडाउन था, वी वर नॉट आस्किंग फॉर आउटसाइड फूड. हम सब घर में ही खाना बनाकर खाना प्रेफर कर रहे थे बिकॉज बाहर से भी किसी को कोरोना है तो हमें हो सकता है. लाइक पिज्जा की डिलीवरी ऑन ऑल दोस थिंग्स, मैकडोनल्ड्स, गोइंग आउट टू होटल्स एंड रेस्टोरेंट्स, वी अवॉइडेड दैट. सो डिपेंड करता है कि प्रोडक्ट क्या है, उस हिसाब से नॉर्मल कंडीशन में क्या हो सकता है उसका डिमांड, दैट वी अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ टाइम सीरीज. एंड इन दिस ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज इट इज अ डेटा टैबुलर फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट होता है एंड उसके बाद उसका हम शेड्यूल बनाते हैं with the help of graph or with the help of a pie chart or with the help of any other graphical representation of data. ठीक है. Now again, this is one of the most popular popular method among business firms because यहाँ पर it is very simple to analyze with the data of their own product. यानी हम किसे यूज कर रहे हैं, हम हमारे ही डेटा को यूज कर रहे हैं जो इतने सालों से हमने इकट्ठा किया है. और ये कहाँ हमें रिसोर्स मिल जाएंगे, we will figure it out within our own firm. We don't have to go out, we don't have to meet people, we don't have to ask experts for the advice, we don't have to go and try various market condition as we have done in market experiments. So that is why this type is more famous and most preferred. Apart from that, there are 4 components to it. That is secular trend named as T. Okay. Then secular variation S, cyclical element C, and irregular or random variation I. So whatever you get the answer, this is the formula. आपको इन सब का कुछ भी काम नहीं है. This is just for you all to understand. That's it. ये आपको ज्यादा से ज्यादा short notes में आएगा. You don't have to solve any sum with respect to statistical methods. Then साइक्लिकल वेरिएशन ऑल्सो इज कंसिडर्ड बिकॉज जैसे मैंने आपको बोला था हर एक बिजनेस का अपना साइकिल होता है, अपना फेज होता है. कभी बहुत अच्छा पीक पीरियड होता है तो कभी एकदम बुरा टाइम भी होता है, दैट इज नोन एज डिप्रेशन. सो एवरी टाइम वी टॉक अबाउट स्टैटिस्टिकल मेथड, हमें ये सारी चीजों को भी कंसिडर करना पड़ता है. देन मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट, regression. Okay, who wants to read? ओके मैं बोल देती हूँ, अभी मैं समझा देती हूँ, टाइम बचेगा तो हम रीड करेंगे. So the next method is the regression method, the very last method of the day. Now regression method, what are they trying to build? They try to build the relationship between two variables. One is independent and one is dependent. We have already learned about this in our chapter number 1. Now, why do they build this relationship? So that they can figure out the demand with respect to the price, or you can say with respect to the taste of the consumer, with respect to the choice that people are making, with respect to the change in trend. All these things are there, and that is why regression method talks about the equation between two variable. How is the relationship between these two variable? And here what happens is, they take the base of the regression method, whatever equation they are taking, it is on the data, or you can say the previous datas. Okay, and here what happens, what is the assumption? That there are two variables, and with a change in one variable, even the another variable changes. So there is an interaction, or you can say there is a relationship between two variables that can be figured out in regression method. Apart from that, there are certain steps that the forecaster has to follow. Very first is identification of variables, correct? Because what are they planning to do? Are they thinking, is the firm thinking to change the price? Then he will be taking the variable as price and its impact on the demand. Second, collection of historical data. Of course, historical data, कितने लॉन्ग पीरियड का आपको डिमांड देखना है. क्या आपके प्रोडक्ट की डिमांड ड्रास्टिकली 4-5 साल में बदली है और पिछले 20 साल में नहीं चेंज हो रही थी? तो आप कौन सा हिस्टोरिकल डेटा सिलेक्ट करते हो, इवन दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देन चॉइस ऑफ डिमांड, कि आप कौन सा, अगर आपके बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ, जैसे आपके सब्स्टिट्यूट्स हैं, करेक्ट, तो किसकी कैसे डिमांड हो रही है, हाउ आर दे डिमांडिंग, हाउ आर पीपल डिमांडिंग. देन एस्टिमेशन ऑफ द फंक्शन. एस्टिमेशन ऑफ द फंक्शन इज हाउ एग्जैक्टली, अगर हम दो वेरिएबल ले रहे हैं, ठीक है, वी आर टेकिंग द प्राइस ऑफ अवर प्रोडक्ट एंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द डिमांड ऑफ द सब्स्टिट्यूट्स. सो दोनों का कैसा रिलेशन है, हमारा प्राइस अगर हमने कम किया तो सब्स्टिट्यूट के डिमांड पे क्या असर पड़ रहा है. सो वी आर supposed to figure out with the help of estimation of function, and on that basis we are going to derive, we will conclude to the forecast कि भाई इतना परसेंटेज हमारा डिमांड बढ़ने वाला है या कम हो सकता है, and produce accordingly. Are you all clear till here? We are done with the chapter. सबको समझ में आया?
Yes, miss.
पक्का समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को? कैसे टाइम पास कर रहे हो? Yes or no? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? बोलो तो सही.
Yes, miss.
ऋतिक, समझ में आया क्या? विजय श्री,
Yes, miss.
गायत्री,
Yes, miss.
ओके, सुमित, अमोल, समझ में आया?
यस मिस.
ओके, सो हमारा चैप्टर 5 हो गया है. now are you all preparing notes for yourself or are you not doing anything? क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग इकोनॉमिक्स के लिए? yes, what are you doing? मंडे या जब भी हम अभी मिलने वाले हैं, नॉट मंडे, आज फ्राइडे सैटरडे नहीं है, सॉरी आज थर्सडे है. तो अब जब भी अभी हम मिलेंगे, व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अ टेस्ट बेस्ड ऑन चैप्टर 1 to 5. ठीक है, किसी को भी पूछूंगी, ठीक है। और जितने लोग नहीं, जितने दिन नहीं आओगे तुम लोग, तुम लोग को लगेगा कि हम लोग आज नहीं जाएंगे क्योंकि मंडे टेस्ट है, तो टीचर सरप्राइज टेस्ट भी ले सकती है। ठीक है, क्लियर टू ऑल? सो टाइम ऑलरेडी अब
ओरल
होने
होगा
आया
मिस?
है। क्या?
ओरल होगा कि रिटन एग्जाम?
ओरल ही होगा, ओरल। आई विल आस्क यू, किसी को भी मैं पूछूंगी उसको